Inside Radio Minute.
Welcome to the Inside Radio Minute. I'm your host, Kelly Jenkins. Advertisers, you don't know what you're missing. That's the message of a detailed report on the state of in-stream audio advertising prepared by the well-regarded Forrester researcher. Analyst Anthony Mullen tells advertisers that they're actually falling behind consumers who are adopting streaming at a far greater rate around the world than at which marketers are committing dollars to the medium. There's plenty more to the story. Read the details in today's Inside Radio. After weeks of speculation, it's expected Greater Media will formally announce plans for a new Detroit sports station today. The company has called a news conference where it will introduce longtime Detroit radio personality Drew Lane and his new position. The Detroit Free Press says it will be an afternoon drive on today's 105.1 WMGC FM, which is flipping from adult contemporary to sports. A New York station forges ahead with a plan to lay off 75% of its staff. In a tear-filled broadcast on Friday, Pacifica's WBAI New York announced it had laid off 3/4 of station employees. WBAI had always operated on a shoestring, and when Hurricane Sandy struck during last fall's fund drive, it found itself without a safety net. It missed several payments to the Empire State Building, where its transmitter is located. That's a bill that runs about $50,000 a month. The layoffs had been expected since July, when WBAI began negotiating the terms with SAG-AFTRA, which represents the employees. In advertiser news, Nation's Restaurant News says that overall July restaurant sales were down. Same-store sales for the industry slipped about 1% after a flat June. Same-store traffic was down about 2.2%. Healthcare advertising is among those categories that radio executives say have the biggest potential for growth in the coming years. Kaiser Permanente is currently one of healthcare's biggest spenders, and it has just launched a multi-million-dollar campaign that includes radio and other media. The San Francisco Business Journal says the company will air spots in California, Hawaii, Oregon, Colorado, Georgia, and Maryland through the autumn, as many companies hold their annual open enrollment period. And that's today's Radio Minute. Find more news and updates throughout the day at InsideRadio.com and on the new Inside Radio mobile app. I'm Kelly Jenkins.